very good evening. This is Abigail bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. For the whole Salesian family, the mother of Don Bosco is a shining icon, inspiration, model of apostolic life to follow. The Church, through Pope Benedict XVI, declared her venerable in 2006 for having lived a life of heroic virtue. Every year on 25th November, the Salesians of Don Bosco, in accordance with their general regulations, celebrate a Mass for the departed parish on her anniversary day. Mama Margaret passed away on 25th November 1856. Since 1915, the Salesian Mission has operated with 23 indigenous ethnic groups in the Rio Negro region and its tributaries in the extreme north of Brazil. The Salesian missionary dimension in the country finds expression above all in the presence among the original peoples. The provinces of the Salesians of Don Bosco, Saint Domenico Savio, based in Manaus, BMA, and Saint Alfonso Maria de Liguiri, based in Campo Grande, BCG, and the provinces of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, dedicated to Laura Vicuna and Santa Teresinta, Manaus, and Our Lady of Peace, Cuyaba, are considered missionary provinces for this very reason. Over 100 European project managers from Salesian schools, VET, vocational education and training centers, and social works based in over 10 European countries joined the 10th annual meeting of the Salesian Euro Projects Network. This year's edition, formally scheduled for a longer time in Brussels, took place on the 18th and 19th of November 2020, fully online because of the COVID-19 pandemic. On the second day, the participants received training on the European Union's EU policies for vocational, educational and training by Mr. Joao Santos, Deputy Head of Unit in the European Commission. The meeting offered also the opportunity to present the results after the first year of the DB Wave project for a Salesian network of VET in Europe. For the past 10 years, the parish priest of the Salesian parish, Mary Help of Christians in Bangkok, and the members of the parish council have been animating pastoral activities with people in prisons, especially young prisoners. This mission is part of the pastoral plan of the local church and is a work of mercy that is carried out on a fixed basis every month. This year, for the first time due to the COVID-19 pandemic, visits to prisoners have suffered a pause, but since the beginning of October, the prison authorities have begun to allow visits again and pastoral works in prisons has started again. The Salesians of Don Bosco, Famble, conducted a workshop entitled Youth for Life on 20th November on issues concerning the well-being and integral development of young people in Sierra Leone. During the event, which was attended by 10 schools in Freetown, various topics were touched upon, including ecology and the need to preserve the ecosystem, taking care of animals in their environment and stopping unnecessary killings, the importance of the gift of one's life and the adoration of God, the presentation of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM, and the importance of learning a trade by attending one of Don Bosco Famble courses. On 24th November, in the headquarters of the Salesian Vice Province of Myanmar MYM, 4 Salesians were ordained deacons by the Archbishop of Mandalay, Marco Tin Wind. The ceremony was concelebrated by Father Charles Sothai Hunt Wind, Superior of the MYM Vice Province, and by various Salesians. On November 18, tablets for distance learning were delivered to the first-year students of the Pio XI Vocational Training Center in Rome, who will now be able to follow the lessons from home with an appropriate and personal device. The delivery took place as part of the Salesian Solidarity with Italy, the emergency response to COVID-19 project funded by the U.S. Government Agency for International Development USAID, led by the Salesian NGO International Volunteering for Development VIS, and which also involves Salesians for Social Apps, Salesian Missions, the Salesian Mission Office of New Rochelle, United States, and the National Center for Salesian Works, Formation and Ongoing Education CNOS FAP. On 16th and 17th November, the provincial delegates for Mission Animation DIAM of the Salesian regions of Inter-America and South Cone America took part in the annual meeting of accompaniment and discernment promoted by the Department for the Missions. 3 main themes were discussed during the meeting: the good practices of mission animation presented by each participant, the importance of the creation of the provincial mission animation team and the promotion of Salesian volunteer service, the expectations of DIAM regarding the animation of the Department for the Missions. Among the significant points that emerged from this meeting, the following should be noted. the importance of networking with youth ministry and social communication, the need to animate local educational pastoral communities for the promotion of mission animation and volunteering, exploiting the new technological situation to be more present in social networks through formation, conferences, etc., and to research ways to present volunteer best practices and create a framework for international volunteering. From 19 to 21st November 2020, the Thai Salesian Youth Ministry team, under the guidance of Father Nopadol Joseph, Provincial Delegate for Youth Ministry, organized a vocational camp on the theme, Teacher, what good must I do to gain eternal life? Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 19, verse 16 at Ban Santihant, Savio Samprant, Nakhon Prathom. 83 young peoples from many places were gathered together for the camp. On the weekend of 20th and 21st November, the parish of Mary Help of Christians, Rapolo in PNG, organized a formation for its lay mission partners. These are known as catechists of the sub-parishes, namely Ramale, Tubera, Nordub, Malagunand, Palnakor, Bitagalip, Don Bosco, Asing and Livion. The formation took place in Rabol in Howard's second spiritual center, run by the FMI sisters, and it was facilitated by the parish priest and rector Father Moise Paluku SDB. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.